If I waka for this bush 2 minutes and not lose the Babalawo place, you go know say my man there big pass your man there. 2 of us go die for this bush. So rich now. Say I do feel like all these guys say your boy don't use the people for nonsense.